Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this video lecture, I will tell you that how to study for chemistry. Viewers, chemistry is one of those classes which you either love or dread. At the high school level, chemistry is usually not a required course. It's an elective course. However, at secondary school level as well as at higher secondary school level, you will have to study chemistry as one of the compulsory subject. If you plan on pursuing a career in medicine, engineering or a field of natural science, then you are likely going to be required to take at least one chemistry course before you graduate. Viewers, chemistry is a challenging subject for most people, but it does not have to be. The number one reason people struggle with chemistry is that they don't approach it in right way. In this video lecture, I will explore proven methods and techniques that will improve your ability to study and learn chemistry effectively. So the first method is, before going to your chemistry class, read your study materials. Studying your chemistry assignments, reading and material before going to each class is one of the most effective method for learning chemistry. This method is effective for learning chemistry for many reasons. The first reason is it gets students to come to class having already studied the material to be presented. Second, arriving at class already familiar with the subject matter, students are able to follow along and understand what is being taught. If students did not understand concept from their studies, they are able to ask questions during the relevant lecture. Finally, classroom time is used more effectively as a learning tool. Students come away from each lecture with a much better understanding of course, concepts and fewer questions. The second technique or method is seek understanding of chemistry. As with any of the sciences, there is a lot of new information to learn and memorize in chemistry. In fact, there is so much new information you will be presented with as you begin to study chemistry that you will get bogged down quickly if you get caught up by trying to memorize all the details. First, focus on gaining understanding of fundamental concepts. Once you have a sound understanding of fundamentals, you can spend time memorizing the details. Also, as you master the fundamental of chemistry and gain understanding of the concepts, you will find it much easier to memorize everything else. Remember, memorizing should never replace understanding. Seek to gain understanding first. The third method is take or make good notes of chemistry. Viewers, attending class regularly and paying attention is important, but it's not enough. As you study chemistry, it's necessary to take copious, intelligible notes that further your understanding of the concept being discussed. Note taking is of particular importance to study the chemistry for the many reasons. For example, note taking also forces you to write things down. The formulas and equations you will be introduced to as you study chemistry will be far easier to remember and understand after you have written them down. Taking good notes and then reviewing those notes will help you to determine what you do and don't understand. Make sure your note taking is organized. Taking organized notes will help you review lectures effectively and prepare for exams. Note taking will enable you participate in study group. The better your notes, the better you will be able to participate and contribute to your study group. When taking notes, don't just focus on what your instructor writes on the board. Listen and copy down all key verbal points and concepts discussed during the lecture. After each lecture, take a few minutes to review your notes. Make sure you understand all the concepts covered in the lecture. Use your textbook to improve your notes in understanding of key concept covered. The next method or technique for learning chemistry is to take advantage of laboratory time in your school or at your college. When it comes to understanding and learning chemistry, there is no substitute for hands-on experience, and there is no better way to get this experience than by attending chemistry labs. Take every opportunity presented to work in the lab. Working through chemistry problems and conducting chemistry experiments in a practical environment will strengthen your understanding and knowledge of chemistry. The next method or technique for learning chemistry effectively is use of flashcards. Flashcards are nothing new, but they work. They are particularly useful for studying chemistry. Chemistry is full of scientific symbols, formulas and vocabulary that must be memorized and interpreted correctly. Flashcards are ideal for organizing and studying chemical symbols, formulas and vocabulary, including the periodic table of elements. Once you have created an organized set of flashcards, you will find memorization much easier. So the final technique is focus on your work instead of your grades. Learning chemistry requires total concentration. Continually focusing on your grades take focus away from learning chemistry. If you will focus on learning chemistry, your grade will follow. There are no shortcuts. At the end of the day, what you learn is what's important. And if you learn the chemistry, you will get a good grade. So this was all about how to study or how to learn chemistry effectively. For more videos on chemistry, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Thank you.